Hi, this is Jed with ForexStrategySecrets.com. Wanted to share with you a trade taken in the US CAD off of the day chart and the 4-hour chart. And then I used the 1-hour chart as my close. So let's go in. This is the 4-hour. You can see that I entered off of what was a pretty sound entry for a potential leg 2. And then also going to the day chart, you can see that right here that we had the right setups. Everything was working just fine. The reason I wanted to talk about the exit was because it establishes your success in the market. Being able to know when to exit is the most important part of this whole game plan. And entries are good, and it's important to know how to time your entries. But if you can time a good entry and you don't know how to exit, you can throw profit away. And so what I was using at this point on this 1-hour chart was the fact that the support level was being tested, and I watched it in some of the lower time frames just keep bouncing off it, and finally off of this price bar I decided, you know what, it's not worth it anymore, I'm going to get out, and closed it. And it's kind of eerie that when I see that happen, that I get this line that forms right around my exit. Well, really it doesn't form around my exit, it forms around this resistance or support level. And so that is a very powerful tool in being able to time your exits, knowing that it even if it punched through that, that's still a safe place to get out, because that's where there's going to be the most volatility in a whipsaw pattern, where it's going to not give you precise moves. And so this is a great opportunity for you to see that making a 40 pip trade in a trend, towards the end of a trend actually, is a very easy thing to do. This didn't take much time and effort. It took me about 2-3 minutes to see it, pull the trigger, set my stops and take profits, and then I just managed it a couple of hours later. Probably spent maybe a total of 35 to 40 minutes tops analyzing it, determining what I wanted to do. So it's a great example of good money management, and I want to share with you one of the other reasons why I felt that this was an exit that was worthy of taking, even though the soundness of this was all saying, hey, it's going to stay, in the short direction, you're all right. And the one reason I was noticing or concerned was because we have a little bit of a weakening right here, and the pattern was continuing, or looked like it might not have enough strength because of this support level, which hit right here. So there's a lot to it that has to go into understanding how to read the charts and know what to look for. So I hope this was helpful. This is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets, signing off.